Dancing with the Chef. Welcome back, guys. We want to thank you for coming back for another week. We're here to teach you guys how to do healthy, quick, tasty, and affordable meals on a budget. So today we have a very special guest that's going to be joining us. I'm so excited. I've been pumped all week thinking about it, but I'm so excited to have this young man here, and you guys will meet him very soon. But I just want to make sure I encourage you guys here on Dancing with the Chef. While we're sizzling on the stove, we want to make sure that you guys get out there, get moving, and you're sizzling on that dance floor, because good health is wealth. There's my guest now. Let's welcome him, and I'll introduce you when he walks in. Hey! Hi, son.
Hey, Mom.
How are you? Oh, we're supposed to be doing our elbow. Oh, okay, that's a new one. Okay. Well, welcome to Dancing with the Chef.
Oh, happy to be here.
Finally made it. So guys, I was telling you how excited I am, and this is why. This is one of my three amazing sons. So this is the oldest. This is Christopher Allen Hartway Jr. He is a Morehouse grad. Cum laude. Graduated cum laude. That's important. See, he doesn't like when I do this. I'm embarrassing. But anyway, you guys have to know, because you don't know. I know. We know, but you guys don't know. Morehouse grad, graduated cum laude, went all the way to London, the UK, to graduate through the Oxford program through BADA. Amazing theatrical skills over there. And now acting, directing, writer, and was doing a lot of things before things changed in our society.
Yeah, we all was in the loop, but we're here now.
So, the people want to know, what are you working on now? What's going on? What's happening? What you working on? What you got going on?
Okay, so big thing. In the midst of COVID-19, there was a lot of opportunity for rebuild, growth, inspiration. So I'm collaborating with Mike on getting his cause on a big music video project, helping them with the writing on that. So that's going to be exciting.
Check it out.
And also, we got to tell you about our clothing line that we're doing, the Tribe Culture. If you go down to the website link, there is at www.tribeculture.com. We're selling t-shirts, tennis shoes, merchandising, anything. I'm elevating the Black experience, Black culture, Black Lives Matter, lifting us up, and I'm putting that out there for us.
All right, so y'all got it? We're gonna write it out for y'all. Check it out. You can also go to abpadance.com and check us out too. Everything we put here, we're gonna post it there too. So, you're here today to help me in the kitchen.
What we're gonna do today?
So we're going to make something a little special. I made it for the home before, but I don't think you remember. You didn't get to participate in that. But these are falafel, because you guys, we all turned vegan over the past year. So these it's going to be a falafel mixed with some celery, carrot, onion, and then we have a special sauce that's going to go in there, and it's all going to be served on romaine lettuce.
Okay.
All right, so you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready to get cooking with the chef? All right, here we go. Dancing with the chef. All right, son, bring those aprons over. We're going to prepare our hands. You guys know what era we're in now, so we're going to prepare our hands. While he's doing that, I've already prepared mine, so we're going to slide our aprons on here. Preparing our hands. And we're going to start with our food processor here. I kind of sped this up so we wouldn't be standing here a long time. So as you can see here, I've already done some of the carrots here and celery, and I thought it would be fun to let you guys see a few of the celery sticks get chopped up here in the processor. So son, you want to come do this part, or? So we're just gonna, I get impatient, so I do like a couple of them. Yeah, so I know you'll have fun with that.
I'll chop all of them up.
Yep.
Okay.
And in the meantime, while he's doing that, I also have my skillet on with some olive oil in it, and it's on a medium heat. I knew you would enjoy doing the fun part. That's how you guys were when you were younger.
Right.
That's good. We just take some pieces out. So we're good. So we just make sure we kind of, and guys, remember always, these were already pre-washed. Always make sure that anything that you're doing, it's already pre-washed. It's very important to do that. I'm just gonna lay that in there for now. Get this off. And any of them that didn't chop up too well, I just take those out. And I usually just take like a little knife or something and chop them up a little bit smaller, a little bit finer. Oh, I didn't get my spoon out here. I'll just use my hand, that's okay.
It's okay because we washed.
But that's how we have to prep. We have to prep and make sure that we're clean. And the other thing, all of my cooks at home, don't use your dish towel to dry your hands. That's just something I want to tell you. Please make sure that you use a paper towel. Like, make sure that you use.
Guilty.
So when you're washing your hands, you know, I'm just giving you an example here. Don't go over and grab your hand towel. Use a paper towel. That way that, you know, you're keeping your hands clean, and you want to use that dish towel for dishes. So that's a side note, sorry. So, as you can see, guys, we have I'm sorry, that was last week. We have our carrots and celery. I'm gonna chop some of these up, guys. All ready to go into the skillet at the stove. We're ready to start sizzling. So, like I said, this is our carrot and celery. I already had my onion on. I cheated a little bit because onions, I really like my onions to be very well.
We're saving time.
Yeah, we're saving time. There you go. And this is our falafel that I pre-ordered, but you can make it, and I can give you the recipe for chickpea. So we just kind of pour these in here. And as I told you all last week, my mother is from down south, so I believe in having seasoning in my food. You can get all these out of there. Oh, waste not, want not. Put that on the sink. So I put a little bit, like I told you guys, I like garlic powder. I like onion powder. I already put a little salt in and just a little bit of pepper, just a little bit of black pepper. And I told you guys that I really like the California brand olive oil. It's just a preference for me, a personal preference. So put that there, and I just kind of make sure it gets like a nice little coat of olive oil all over them. There you go. He's like, don't try to do it all. I'm here to help.
Moral support. Chef Boyardee in the flesh.
Oh boy, there we go. Chef Boyardee. I think I'm gonna do just a little bit more, just a little bit. Some of them are a little long, but that's okay. So as you guys see, we have this set on a medium heat. I'm not using those front eyes. I just want it to simmer because, as I told you guys, as we're simmering here on the stove, we have to simmer. We're gonna sizzle over there on the dance floor.
Sizzle, my nizzle.
Well, that's sizzling on the stove. Now it's time for us to sizzle on the dance floor. You ready?
Let's do it. Let's get it.
You ready? So today we're just doing a simple, basic cha-cha-cha, y'all. This ain't the old style cha-cha-cha. This is well, it's not that new, but the cha-cha-cha, okay? So I'm gonna break it down.
Okay.
It's not hard, not complicated. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the left, okay? We're gonna step left, bring the right together, and then we're gonna double with the left leading. Cha, cha, cha.
Okay.
Okay, let's do that again. So we're gonna step with the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna go, now we're gonna go to the right and do the same thing, leading with the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna move forward, starting with that right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna step back with the left, gliding back, okay? So we're kind of making our T here, or our cross. And we're gonna slide back with the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know it's kind of running out of space there. Yes. Okay? So we went left, right, left, forward, back. Now, we gotta scoot up just a little bit. So from here, we're gonna step back with this right foot. So we're gonna step back with the right, and we're gonna cha-cha right up to y'all. We're gonna hit it. Cha, cha, cha. Now we're gonna pivot on our left, and we're gonna turn and cha, 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 to turn back. Cha, cha, cha. So now we're gonna start that music. Oh, and also you guys can visit my website where we have our YouTube channel all connected on there, abpadance.com, and we break that down, and we have our line dance group that will show you and break that down for it, make it easy for you, okay? But like I said, since we're sizzling over there, we only got a few minutes to sizzle with you. Here we go, the cha-cha-cha line dance. Have fun, try! All right, so we get our rhythm. Here we go. Now, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, forward, back it up, back, forward, and back, now to the left. We start it all over. Right, left, forward, back,
That's my down.
turn. Now we're gonna go back to the camera. Here we go. Left, right, left, forward, right, back, back, forward, back, to the left.
See if I can lead the line.
Okay, you leave it. You got it. You got it. That's the main thing. Y'all have fun. You ain't gotta be all perfect. Forward, back. Here we go. Step back. Cha-cha forward. Turn.
I got
There we
something.
go.
We're back, we're back.
We're back, y'all. We're working it out. Main thing is you get a little sweat. I feel like Debbie Allen said, you feel that holy water. Back, forward, turn. We gotta get to the stove. We gotta get to the stove, y'all. We gotta go to our oven. So we just sizzled out there on the dance floor, and look at our celery and carrots. They look amazing. So we're gonna bring it over here. Today we're gonna do something a little different since I have my guests here. And I also added my onion, everybody, for the sake of saving time. I already added my onion, but you want them soft like this. And you can, everything is always according to your taste, your style. But I did, like I told you, I added the garlic powder, some onion powder in there, a little sprinkle of salt, but I also added some honey because we kind of like more of a soft and sweet taste, okay? So we have that, then we have our falafel here. And we're also gonna have our special sauce. Now, I told you guys you can use just like a cucumber sauce, or you can use like a ranch, because this is our special sauce, okay? So, we'll just do them here on the plate. So this is our romaine lettuce. As you guys can see, I kind of try to dab them off after washing them, but make sure you pre-wash everything, really wash everything. So the way I do this, I take one of these, I'll use my plate. I don't want to mess yours up for the first one. And I take the falafel here. And these are a little bit more crisp than I like. So we'll talk about that later. They don't usually crumble as badly. But I take them and I kind of just break them and center them right in the center there, okay? And then I take, you're gonna do yours next. I want to watch you do yours. So I take this is a little big, but that's okay. I'm gonna use like a spoon. And I just kind of layer it over it. Okay? Just kind of layer it over it. And it can be all messy. Just have fun with it. Like when you were in preschool, they used to let you play and mess around with food. You really messed around with food. And then, I forgot that teacher's name. But anyway, and then I take my special sauce and I just, however much you want, you just drizzle it over the top. Okay? You think you can try that?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay, so we're gonna put this over on your side, move it over so you don't have to reach over and do all that.
Okay.
Let me dab that off a little more. I don't like that water.
I'm gonna just take mine and just.
Okay, he wants to do that. This is the way the men do this thing here.
I mean,
This is how I do this thing.
It's supposed to be wet. All right, let's see. I gotta take my balls here, my
Falafels, yes.
break bread. break bread by falafel waffles. Okay.
And that's just because, you know, you don't want it to be too heavy on the romaine.
Okay, then I'll take this shibby wop.
So he takes the celery, carrot,
What's it
and
called?
onion.
What's this called?
Well, we're just calling it falafel on romaine.
No, this stuff.
It's a celery. It's a mixture. It's a celery,
Oh, so when we cut up celery carrots.
celery, carrots, and onion. Yes.
Make
Oh,
sure
now you did yours good.
Make sure
Yeah,
y'all-
that looks good. Right in the
I
center.
take this special sauce. Make sure y'all paying attention to what we calling this stuff because y'all gonna need to recite it too. All right,
That's true.
down the middle there. I like mine to have a little more because vegetables be trying you, so you gotta
They do not try you. They're
It has to-
healthy for you. It's
it has
exactly
to
what you need.
mix well. Booyah.
That's what you need. So the way you eat this, the way I eat mine, there's no.
It's like a taco.
So it's like a taco. Yes. So I kind of fold. And guys, here's the trick. As we told you guys, this is about quick, healthy, tasty, affordable meals. Okay. So I just kind of grab mine like, yep, you can do that too.
Okay.
And we're ready?
Maybe.
You got your apron. It won't splatter everywhere. All right, ready? So here's the true test, guys. If it doesn't taste good, nobody cares, right? All right, here we go.
All right.
Boy, that's so good.
Wow. Too. Thank you. Wow.
That is delish.
I like it.
Mixed with the
I ain't got blood.
falafel.
Is that when I broke the bread, the falafel was green.
Well, that's your chickpea. That's a mixture of the chickpea.
That's weird.
Guys,
but
I'm telling you, you really want to try this. Your family will love it.
it's like a meat texture kind of.
It's a meat texture.
That's not bad.
Mmm.
One more.
I feel bad eating in front of you all, but it's so good. I can't help it.
No, people watch videos on people eat stuff, so that.
But like I said, you just have your special sauce.
No.
We started with the romaine lettuce. Make sure you pre-wash everything
Okay.
so it tastes good. Yes?
I might make you do it.
All right. So let's do a toast to dancing with the chef.
So.